Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. No, I didn't sleep. I just finished watching She on Netflix, and this is like 6 baj chuke hain almost, and I can't say this is how I woke up, but still I look like puffness in my face because I'm chubby, and I have a mehman too here, my first kind of pimple, so I'm gonna do a skincare video, but this time I thought I will keep my video as raw like never before. So I'm going to go for a walk, which I'm supposed not to go out, but fatafat ek round maar ke aungi and then I'll make this video. So let's get ready for the walk.
And here I am out for a walk. Like, I don't see any human out here, which is wrong that I am out for a walk. And this is my favorite place. Like, this is where this is the area where peacocks and all are, like, sometimes present in here. And this is the only time when I can get out and do my thing. Night I saw this boy at 3 a.m. guys. Like, I was thinking, like, are people seriously that bored? He was washing his car in midnight. I was like, now people know how valuable our normal lives are. I mean, I'm sure we all are so excited to get out in our normal life and enjoy with our friends and outers, we are definitely not asking for any time to our families now after this.
And I'm back with doing my morning walk and had some warm water. Almost 6:45 बज चुके हैं और ये वीडियो मैंने सोचा थोड़ा डिफरेंट करते हैं, थोड़ा क्वारंटाइन टच है. ये भी बात है कि मैं इतना एक्टिव नहीं थी, एंड आई फील कि थोड़ा सा कनेक्शन रहना चाहिए बिटवीन मी एंड माई सब्सक्राइबर्स, सो दैट्स वाई आई स्टार्टेड वीडियो लाइक दिस. एंड ऑल्सो आई थिंक ये बेस्ट टाइम था मेरे लिए वीडियो शूट करने के लिए. The first reason is that if I'm doing a skincare, I always do it before I go to sleep, and this is how my schedule looks like. I'm gonna go to sleep now and wake up at noon. So सोने पे सुहागा हो जाता है जब आप एक स्किन केयर करते हो और दिन सोने जाते हो. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट मेकिंग वीडियो इन मॉर्निंग, अर्ली मॉर्निंग, इज़ दैट घर वाले होंगे यार तो भी निपटा लो करके. एंड आई हैव मेक श्योर कि जो भी मैं इंग्रेडिएंट्स एंड DIY मैं ये करने वाली हूँ वो मोस्टली सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स आपके घर में होंगे, एंड इट्स एब्सोल्युटली गुड फॉर योर स्किन. So we are going to do it in 3 parts. The first is going to be a exfoliating thing which we are going to make. The second thing is the detoxifying mask, face pack, and the third thing we will moisturize it or somehow tone our skin. So let's get into the video, and I'll fatafat grab something to eat. I'm hungry.
So to create this scrub, we are going to need only 3 ingredients. First is the oats, second is the milk, and third is the chocolate cocoa powder. You can also skip cocoa with coffee, which is easily available at home. Now I'm going to use half teaspoon of cocoa powder and put some milk in it. You can also skip milk part. I'm using milk because I have a dry skin. You can also use rose water or normal water. Now just mixing it well. You can see the consistency. I would like to tell you that the scrub which we have created by oats and using some cocoa powder and milk, oats is really a great ingredient to pick up the dirt from your skin and just give it a cleanse. It's a great exfoliator in its natural way, and on the other hand the cocoa powder really helps to glorify your skin and put that radiance in your skin. It works as good as coffee.
So now that I'm done with my scrubbing, this is how my skin looks. Really good. Whew. This is what I needed, like, to get this pimple vanished. And now let's get our pack done.
So for the pack, I'm going to use multani mitti, 2 spoons of it, and I'm gonna add a turmeric, which is dami haldi, It's a Ayurvedic turmeric which you don't use for cooking. It's a turmeric which heals your skin. And then I'm going to use a lemon. If you have a oily skin, it works wonders. And some water and just mixing it well. And then I'm using honey because I have a dry skin. To balance it, I'm using honey as well. So let's apply our face pack. We all know Multani Mitti is such a great ingredient when it comes to face packs. We all know Multani Mitti works wonders. And this is the pack I use with the consistency like once in a week, and it's great. And now I'll just let it dry and wash it off.
And this is how my skin looks after washing. Definitely Multani Mitti is the one of the best face packs ever. And I think जो मेरा पिंपल आया है उसका एक ये रीज़न ये भी हो सकता है कि this in this quarantine मैं इतना लोशन मतलब if I'm doing skincare, it's just that I wash my face बार बार and मैं बार बार बहुत सारा लोशन लगा देती हूँ. Maybe that can be the reason this pimple has popped up. So after this face pack, we are simply going to nourish and plump it with some aloe vera gel. This is from the 99 aloe vera gel, and it's almost over. And this is what I'm going to use now more of for moisturizing my skin. I already use it, but मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ही लोशन यूज़ करी थी. I think उसके वजह से मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा heat, maybe that can be the reason for the pimple. So thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope you liked it. The chocoa scrub and the pack, and then the simple step of plumbing your skin with aloe vera gel. Thanks for watching my video and have a great quarantine, you guys.